Heart health is not a subject to take lightly. Heart disease is the leading cause of death for women in the United States. An estimated 44 million US women are affected by cardiovascular disease, causing 1 in 3 women's deaths each year. And one of the most common forms of heart disease is coronary artery disease. Coronary artery disease happens when a buildup of plaque narrows artery walls and restricts proper blood flow to the heart. This can eventually lead to a heart attack or cardiac death. Coronary artery disease can be treated or prevented through lifestyle modifications. One major influence on disease management or prevention is your diet. Foods rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, healthy fats, and antioxidants all have their role in heart health. We've rounded up 10 artery-friendly foods and highlighted what makes them so great and how they can keep your arteries clean. But before going next, subscribe our channel and press bell icon for getting daily healthy foods. 1. Avocados. Is there anything avocados can't do? It turns out avocados are good news when it comes to your arteries, too. This heart-healthy fruit increases your good cholesterol while lowering your bad cholesterol. Avocados are also chock full of potassium, more than a banana, in fact. Potassium has been proven to help prevent cardiovascular disease and vascular calcification in your arteries. 2. Fatty fish. While the myth that fat is bad for your arteries has been debunked, it's important to know what kind of fat you should be eating. Like avocado, fish is packed with healthy fats, also known as unsaturated fats. Fish consumption is linked to fewer heart attacks. Their omega-3 fatty acids have been proven to reduce levels of triglycerides and prevent the risk for cardiac death. 3. Nuts. Nuts are a powerhouse when it comes to heart health. Rich in unsaturated fats, vitamins, and fiber, nuts are a solid choice when it comes to a healthy snack. Try almonds, cashews, or Brazil nuts, all of which are very high in magnesium. Magnesium hinders buildup and cholesterol plaque in arteries, helping to prevent clogged arteries. 4. Olive oil. Tired of hearing about healthy fats yet? Of course not. They're delicious. But we end our stream of healthy fats here with perhaps the most versatile and popular of them all, olive oil. The monounsaturated oleic acid, say that 3 times fast, found in olive oil protects your heart and significantly lowers your risk for cardiovascular disease and stroke. 5. Coffee. Good news for coffee lovers. This beloved pick-me-up helps keep your arteries clean. One study found that drinking 3 cups a day significantly lowers your risk for developing atherosclerosis or clogged arteries. If coffee isn't your cup of tea, green tea has also been proven beneficial to cardiovascular health. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce damage to arterial walls. Inflammation levels have been shown to have a direct effect on arteriosclerosis, the hardening of the arteries. A study on rats shows that this antioxidant-rich spice can reduce fatty deposits in the arteries by over 25%. 7. Pomegranate. Drink pomegranate juice for optimal heart health. The powerful pomegranate has been shown to clear clogged arteries and improve blood flow. This is due to the free radical-fighting fruit's high level of antioxidants, which stimulate the production of nitric oxide in the blood. 8. Citrus. Both antioxidants and vitamin C are good news for artery health, and citrus fruits have plenty of both. Studies have shown that vitamin C has a powerful role in reducing heart disease risk, and the flavonoids found in them help protect arterial walls. 9. Whole grains. The dietary fiber found in whole grains help improve blood cholesterol levels and protect the heart against disease. Recent studies have also found that diets with plenty of whole grains are linked to thinner carotid artery walls. These arteries are responsible for delivering blood to your brain. Thickening of carotid arteries causes atherosclerosis buildup and increases risk for heart disease and stroke. 10. Broccoli. Like whole grains, broccoli is packed with fiber that's beneficial for overall heart health. Cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage, have been proven to specifically help prevent clogged arteries and protect against vascular disease. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video and want more videos about healthy foods, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for getting latest updates.